Hello folks, welcome back to Trend Top. Elon Musk recently laid out a master plan for where his company, Tesla Motors, is heading. The vision is undoubtedly ambitious. 4 new kinds of Tesla vehicles, solar initiatives, autonomous driving technologies, and ride-sharing program. Judging by the subsequent 3% dip in Tesla stock price, the markets don't appreciate Musk's vision or the promise of these technologies. They don't understand the exponential advances in fields such as artificial intelligence, storage, and solar energy, or the skill advantages that come from building technology platforms. During the Tesla annual shareholder meeting, Tesla CEO Elon Musk didn't mince words when he talked about what he thinks of the value proposition of traditional fossil fuel vehicles. He called it financially insane to buy any car that isn't an electric car capable of full autonomy, which conveniently currently is the type of vehicle that only Tesla claims to sell. Musk reiterated a claim he's made previously about Tesla vehicles that all of its cars manufactured since October 2016 have everything they need to become fully autonomous, with those built before the release of its new autonomous in-car computer earlier this year, needing only a computer swap, replacing the new Tesla-built computer for the NVIDIA ones they shipped with. The Tesla CEO also reiterated his claim from earlier this year that there will be 1 billion robotaxis on the road as of the next year, nothing that it's easy to arrive at that number if you consider that it includes all Teslas including Model X, Model S, and Model 3, sold between October 2016 and today. Tesla may well stumble because it is trying to do too much too fast, but Musk's vision is sound. Regarding Tesla's progress with self-driving, Musk noted that at the end of the year, Tesla hopes to deliver autonomy such that while you'll still have to supervise the driving in car, it'll get you from your garage to your workplace without intervention. He said that by the next year, their goal is the same thing, but without requiring supervision and then some time after the pending regulatory corporation, they'll be able to do full autonomy without anyone on board. Musk ended this musing with a colorful metaphor, likening buying a car that's powered by traditional fossil fuel without any path to self-driving to someone today. Riding a horse and using a flip phone, I think it's basically financially insane to buy anything other than an electric car that's upgradable to autonomy, he said. He also said the company's forthcoming Model Y electric crossover would reach volume production by fall 2020. Internally, we're aiming for sooner than the but we want to have some margin on that timing. He also said he hopes to reveal the company's long-teased electric pickup truck sometime this summer. It will look like it came out of a sci-fi movie, he said. I think it's the coolest car I have ever seen. Not everyone may share the opinion. The vehicle's towing capacity is designed to meet or exceed an F-150 from Ford, Musk said. So if an F-150 can tow it, the Tesla pickup truck should be able to do it. As the company ramps up electric vehicle production, one of its biggest challenges is sourcing enough raw material to manufacture battery cells. We might get into mining business, maybe, he said. We'll do whatever we have to ensure we can scale at the fastest way possible. During the meeting, Musk took questions from the audience on a wide range of issues. He bashed the media for waging a disinformation campaign about Tesla's prospects. He also hinted at other products to come, including some that aren't altogether realistic. We do actually have a design for a submarine car, Musk said when asked whether the company had its eyes on an aquatic vehicle. I think the market for this will be small, he added to laughter. It would be a bit of distraction, but maybe we'll make one as a show car at some point. The most controversial part of Musk's vision is his plan to integrate solar city photovoltaic technologies into Tesla Powerwall storage technology, the units that customers use to change their electric vehicles at home. While there are valid corporate governance concerns about merging two companies with the same board members, the technology combination is a strategic winner. At the rate at which solar technology is progressing, its cost per watt by 2022 will be less than half of what it is today. Prices of solar panels have been falling at more than 10% a year for the most 40 years, and their cost is now justified without government subsidies. Bloomberg New Energy Finance estimates that the learning rate of solar panels, the fall in their price for every doubling in their global installation is 26%. And solar installations are doubling every year or two. At this rate, by 2030, solar capture could provide 100% of today's energy, and by 2035, it could be almost free. What has been holding solar energy production back is the cost of energy storage, which has necessitated a complex, messy substitute for connection to the grid. Tesla's Powerwall removes this dependency and allows one company to provide an integrated and beautiful solar roof with battery product that just works, as Musk suggested. This is the kind of advantage and elegance that came with the Apple iPhone, which integrated music, telephony, and computer application into one device. The cost of battery technologies is failing at a rate similar to that solar production. According to BNEF, the learning rate in electric vehicle batteries is 21.6%, meaning we can expect that by the end of 2022, these two will cost less than half of the they do today. This would give Tesla the same market leadership on electric vehicle battery technologies that Apple commanded when it first rolled out the iPhone. With lower costs for electricity and batteries, the demand for electric vehicles would skyrocket. The nearly 500,000 orders that Tesla received for its $35,000 Model 3 was a clear indication of demand as Tesla started building vehicles at a pace to meet the orders. The price of the key component of these cars, the battery, will keep failing, and the company will be able to offer newer models at even lower prices. Imagine cars as powerful as today's Tesla Model S traveling 250 miles on a charge that retail for $25,000. This is very plausible in the early 2020s. Now, add to these advancements the car's self-driving capabilities, which continue to improve as the machine learning algorithm used for navigation becomes smarter, and you have a product that could save tens of thousands of lives in the United States alone. It is surely possible that Tesla could fall in these efforts by thinking too big, but its grand vision may well prove to be the strategic advantage that it needs to achieve its goals. One of the most important questions here is whether or not the Model Y has built quality issues across the entire fleet. Moreover, do any Model Ys exist with excellent fit and finish? Is Tesla doing anything to address the issues, and if so, are its efforts working? We honestly don't have concrete answers to these questions, but our readers could certainly aim to provide some answers based on their experience. With that said, we continue to encourage future Tesla owners to make sure to look over their cars carefully before taking delivery. If the car isn't up to your standards, don't accept it. It seems, since demand for Tesla's cars is so high and people have to wait so long to take delivery, some may be accepting vehicles with fit and finish that would be considered unacceptable by many people's standard. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.